Air fresheners help mask odors while gracing your space with a pleasant scent. We researched and tested numerous options ranging by type, fragrance, and scent duration. Our top choice is the Pure Smart Fragrance Diffuser, which calls on low heat diffusion to disperse microscopic droplets of naturally scented oil into the air. There are many products available to choose air fresheners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air fresheners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall Pure Smart Home Fragrance Diffuser. The Pure Smart Diffuser allows you to personalize your air freshening experience from your smartphone or tablet. Just plug it into an outlet, adjust the settings, and then sit back and relax while a light pleasant scent disperses through your space. This user-friendly device calls on low heat diffusion to create microscopic droplets of fragrance. It holds 2 cartridges at once, so you can switch between scents with a quick tap, depending on your mood. It can also be paired with Nest fragrance oil cartridges. What's more, you can schedule when you want it on and off, adjust the scent intensity, and even use it as an ambient nightlight. The diffuser itself and the refills are pricey, but it might be worth the investment for the high-quality, customizable design. What we like: Smart Controls holds 2 cartridges, ambient night light. What we don't like: alternatives can cost less. Number 2. Best plug-in Glade Pigeons Scented Oil Air Freshener Starter Kit. Glade Pigeons is a great set it and forget it option. This plug-in diffuser warms the essential oils within the easy-to-replace cartridges, and you can adjust how much you want released into your home. Each cartridge lasts about 50 days. This is impressive, considering that the starter kit is less than $20 and comes with 5 refills. The only drawback is that the device takes up an entire standard wall outlet, leaving no room to plug in anything else below or above. However, the product does rotate to fit horizontal outlets. However, we know that the product must remain upright so oil won't fall out of it. The ingredients list fragrance oil, which could indicate the presence of phthalates. What we like: reasonably preset adjustable intensity, long-lasting. What we don't like: takes up entire wall outlet. Number 3. Best Automatic Air Freshener Air Mini Smart Home Fragrance Diffuser. With Air products, you get sophisticated scents and sophisticated tech. Their scent catalog goes way beyond the general range of lemon and lavender, featuring fragrance blends like poetry, suede and violet leaves, and feu de bois, smoky embers and driftwood. If you find their range of options overwhelming, you can take their fragrance finder quiz to pinpoint the scent that's just right for you. They even offer scents engineered for specific problems: cooking, pet odor, and so on. Plus, their hypoallergenic scents ensure that sensitive noses are safe to breathe the air. They use only the highest quality essential oils in their products and offer complete transparency about ingredients. The Air Mini Diffuser uses sophisticated micro-droplet technology to disperse scent evenly throughout the room, avoiding scent hotspots. They advertise 125,000 air droplets per the average aerosol droplet. With the app, you can control multiple devices, creating scent schedules to enliven or calm you, depending on the room or time of day. Product details. Type: automatic plug-in lifespan. At mid-strength settings running 10 hours a day, an average capsule lasts approximately 60 days. Who it's for? People looking for unique scents and smart home compatibility. Who it's not for? People looking for something more affordable. Number 4. Vergoli Nature Fresh Bamboo Charcoal Air Purifying Bags. Pack of 10. Mold and mildew thrive in small, moist areas where there's limited circulation. You're probably envisioning a bathroom right now. Fair enough, but closets are also a prime culprit. The best tool in your arsenal for these types of odors isn't a fragrance that'll mask the smell, it's an activated charcoal bag. Activated charcoal is a great way to eliminate odors without much hands-on management, says maker. Just set it and forget it. Once a month, you can leave it out in the sun to recharge, and it will last up to 2 years. The Vergoli Bamboo Charcoal Odor Absorber bags are ideal for the job, and unlike most fragrances that require frequent refills, these bags last up to 2 years. These highly porous bags absorb moisture and toxins from the air, effectively deodorizing your space. All you have to do for upkeep is simply recharge them in the sun for 2 hours once a month. This process releases trapped moisture and odors, making the bags like new again. But perhaps the best part is that they're completely free of chemicals. Product details. Type: activated charcoal bagless span. 2 years, recharge monthly, room size. Not listed. People always rave about my mom's clean house, so I asked her to share her favorite cleaner. Spiced Air Freshener Candle Corn Beeswax 100% to its for. People looking for an easy solution for hard to scent areas. Who it's not for. Those who want to add fragrance. Number 5. Best Air Freshener Candle Corn Beeswax 100% Pure Raw Beeswax Pillar 3x4. It's thought that beeswax candles can not only add a subtle scent to your space, but can even deodorize your home. That's because beeswax releases negative ions into the air when it's burned, bonding to positively charged particles and dust and mold spores, much like an electric air purifier would. Also, because beeswax can be used in its original state, it doesn't require any chemical processing. Plus, though beeswax candles are a little pricier than alternatives, they burn much longer, giving you more bang for your buck. While they're not scented in the same way that traditional scented candles are, they can help mask odors. Bluecorn's beeswax candles are a great choice, handcrafted in Colorado. These candles are available in 8 sizes, and can be purchased individually or in packs of 6. Product details. Type. Candle span. 90 minutes to 6 hours. Room size. Not listed. The 36 best candles of 2023 for every scent preference suits for those who like natural deodorizers and subtle fragrance. WHO. It's not for those who like strong scents. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.